Are you an intraday trader? So there is a high chance that you will generate your trading ideas on the basis of technical analysis, for which you will also use different types of indicators. A supertrend indicator is one such indicator, which gives you a very good pricing buy and sell signal during the trending market. In this video, we will know how to use the supertrend indicator for amazing buy and sell signals. During this video we will see: first, what is the supertrend indicator? Second, calculation of supertrend indicator. Third, at timeframes and markets on which supertrend can be used. Also learn about how to use supertrend indicator for generating buying and selling opportunity supertrend indicator trading strategies, and learn in the last what are the advantages and disadvantages of pros and cons. So hello friends, welcome to your YouTube channel. If you like the video and subscribe to our channel, it will help us in growing. Now first, how to add supertrend indicator in home chart. Now whatever chart software you use, go to the indicators section of it and search there. Supertrend. Whatever your result is, it comes out. Click on it and the supertrend indicator will pop up on top of your chart. As you can also see, which is the red line. He is representing that the market is currently on a downtrend. And the green line tell that the trend is up now. What is supertrend indicator? It is a trend following indicator like moving average and MACD. But this indicator is better than moving average and MACD, used to follow the trend. And it is a very effective indicator. And it is made by combining two parameters which are called period and multiplier. And the default setting of period is 10 and the default setting of multiplier is 3. And the period we call ATR, which is named average true range. If you have an intraday trader, then you can also use the supertrend indicator with any other indicator, which we will learn in the strategy section of this video. Calculation of supertrend indicator. As we know, this indicator consists of two parameters. Period, or also called ATR or multiplier. ATR plays an important role in supertrend as the indicator uses ATR to calculate its values. ATR indicator signal the degree of price volatility in stock. The default value of ATR is set at 10 in the indicator. Time frames of market on which supertrend indicator can be used. Supertrend indicator any market as you can use. It is for equities trading and forex trading, also can be used for cryptocurrency trading. And you can use it at any time, even on the time frame. Like weekly time frame, if you want to go for long-term investing, then hour at daily time is 15 minutes or 5 minutes, but keep in mind that this indicator fails during sideways market time. How to use it properly? We'll learn in our strategy section. How to use supertrend indicator for generating, buying, and selling opportunities. As soon as you upload the supertrend indicator on top of your chart, you will see a green line and a red light on your chart. So here you see on the screen both the buy and the sell signals have been created. But most of the brokers who are there give a simple line on their chart, in which you will not see any option of buy and sell. Supertrend indicator signals are best viewed when we use them in conjunction with other indicators, like MACD, then can also be used as RSI. Supertrend indicator can be used as support or resistance as well. If a buy signal has been generated in the supertrend indicator, if the price supertrend indicator comes towards the green line, then it can also react as a good support, and we can consider buying there. Supertrend indicator can also be used as trailing stop loss. In the case of buy signal, as soon as the price moves upward, the line of the supertrend indicator also moves upwards. As soon as the stop loss goes up, we can trail or change our stop loss, so that we can make maximum profit. This indicator works great in trending markets. It can give a very poor signal in the sideways market. Supertrend performance badly in a volatile market. The trader needs to ensure that they have identified the underlying trend. We insert our strategy. You will understand if you see it. Right now we learn the trading of supertrend indicator. There is a formula to earn trading profits, which three things are. First, risk management. Second, trading psychology. Third, trading strategies. If you have one of these three things, then you can get success in trading. In this video we'll look into 3 supertrend indicator trading strategies. Number 1, double supertrend indicator strategy. Number 2, supertrend plus 5 EMA and 20 EMA crossover strategy. Number 3, supertrend and MACD indicator trading strategy. Double supertrend trading strategy. When you start trading with the supertrend indicator, you will find that as soon as the market becomes volatile, or has started trading in a small range, the supertrend indicator starts giving a lot of false signals. That is, you may have to suffer a lot of small losses. To resolve out some of that problem, we will use a double supertrend trading strategy. In this, we will be using two supertrend indicators. Whatever the first indicator we use, its value will be the default. That is, as said earlier, the value of the ATR period will be 10. And the value of the ATR multiplier will be 3. We will not make any changes to this. But the second supertrend indicator we will plot. We'll come up with our chart by changing its settings. That is, that will be our long-term indicator. For this, we will keep it in the settings. In ATR period 30 or ATR multiplier 9. We have increased the default value to 3 times. What did we get out of this? The long-term supertrend indicator exposed us. Trading is very simple. What we have to do is that, whenever the long-term indicator gives a buy, we will see only a buy signal on the short-term indicator. This sell signal was generated. Here we will not trade it because our long-term supertrend indicator has given only a buy signal. Similarly, whenever the long-term supertrend indicator gives a sell signal, we take the sell trade. And in that case, we never take the buy trade. Whatever the direction of the market, they are trading in that direction only. We do not trade the small corrections that go in it. We stick with the market trend. And in this, our stop loss also remains the same as the short-term indicator. In the short term, as soon as the line in the indicator moves up, then our stop loss also keeps moving upwards. Stop loss keep trailing. Use long-term indicated only to know the market trend. And to trade, we use short-term indicator. Supertrend and EMA crossover trading strategy. In this, we will use 3 indicators. First will be the supertrend its setting by default. We are not making any changes in that setting. The ATR 10 and the multiplier 3. Our second indicator will be exponential moving average of length 5. You are seeing right now is the line of white color. This is the exponential moving average of 5 periods. The third indicator would be the exponential moving average, whose length would be 20. The yellow color line you see on the chart is this 20-period exponential moving average line. The strategy requirement is that as soon as the buy signal comes. Before that, we will see that whatever this 20 EMA or 5 EMA line. Buy requirement is this 5 EMA should be above 20 EMA. Only then will we execute our buy trade. As you can see in this case. Here you can see buy signal has been generated. 5 EMA crosses 20 EMA and goes up. Supertrend with MACD indicator trading strategy. In this strategy, we use the supertrend indicator along with the MACD indicator. MACD indicator consists of main 3 parts. The blue line above the chart is called the MACD line. And the second is the signal line, which is of orange color. And the third one is the histogram that you see in the graph here. And the settings in this strategy are the defaults of MACD indicator and supertrend indicator. The way to trading strategy is very simple. As soon as there is a buy-sell signal on the supertrend indicator. Let us first look at the case of the buy signal. As soon as the buy signal comes above the supertrend indicator, we will directly look at the MACD indicator. In the MACD indicator, if the MACD line is above the signal line, so we will execute our buy trade. And in the case of sell, as soon as the sell signal comes in the supertrend indicator. So after that, we see above the MACD indicator. And if the MACD line is below the signal line, then we execute our trade there. There is another easy way to trade it. We can also look at the histogram instead of looking at these lines. If the buy signal comes up, and this histogram line is above the 0 level, we can still execute the trade here. And if it is below 0 level, then we take sell trade. And because of this, many of the false signals that sleep are all removed and it becomes easier to trade. Pros and cons of using supertrend indicator. There are many benefits to supertrend indicator. Very accurate, helps to take right decision at right time. To every broker add indicator free of cost in their chatting software. So it can be used by every trader very easily. This indicator helps the intraday traders to make a decision very quickly as it is used. And it is very easy to understand. Supertrend indicator downside. That is a trending market where the direction of the trend is very clear. This indicator is beneficial. But if the market sideways is doing a move, then this indicator can give a lot of false signals. So the supertrend indicator can be used in conjunction with other indicators for better trading opportunities, which you must have learned in this video. If yes, then please like on video and share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching this video.